to fix Microsoft Surface device screen not rotating. And if your screen won't auto-rotate, let me ask you, are you using a Surface and noticing that the display stays locked in one orientation even when you rotate the device? This problem usually happens because sensor drivers are outdated, rotation lock is enabled, or system files block proper sensor operation. Sometimes recent Windows updates, calibration issues, or background apps also trigger the issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated driver reinstalls, risky registry tweaks, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not restore rotation. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact sensor driver, rotation path, and system configuration that causes the Surface screen not to rotate. This works because it restores proper sensor communication and auto-rotation. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Surface devices. Once you apply it, screen rotates normally, orientation switches correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple devices, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Microsoft Surface screen not rotating is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.